Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and I made a roast chicken for supper last night, and Howie took some for his lunch today, and I'm making soup for tomorrow, but I still got enough meat for one more meal. It's a chicken leftover makeover meal. And this is what we have. I have a 1 liter carton of organic chicken broth. I probably will only use half of that, so the other half will go into the crock pot with the chicken carcass. We have leftover meat, and I left plenty on the carcass. We have some leftover meat diced up. These are the spinach noodles that I got at the dollar store. Turned out they're really good, and they've still got a year before expiry. I have a can of cream of celery soup, a can of mushrooms, and 1 cup or 1 half-pint jar full to the brim with leeks, onions, green beans, celery, and peppers. That's going to make an amazing dinner. Okay, I've decided I'm going to make this into a casserole. So first things first, I'm going to bring this 1 liter, or most of it. I'm going to say 3 cups of chicken broth, and we're going to bring that to a heat. The rest I'm just going to put in with the carcass that I'm making for soup tomorrow. I'm going to put these spinach noodles, they're egg noodles, in here, and I'm just going to rinse them because I'm going to cook them in the broth. Let's butter our casserole dish. Now I'm just going to sprinkle all my vegetables in there, and I'm just going to drop all my noodles in there. And at this point you're thinking it's chicken soup, right? No, because the noodles and the vegetables are going to soak up most of that broth. Wrong lid. And we're just going to drop our chicken in the bottom, just like that. And our mushrooms. I like mushrooms. They're inexpensive, and they add an extra kick to almost anything. Oh. So we're going to let this, it smells like vegetable soup is what it smells like. Now as you can see, there's barely any liquid, and once those noodles plump and the vegetables plump, it's going to be amazing. So now I'm just going to pour that all in there. I appreciate everybody's patience with my lack of videos. I am not well, but I'm waiting for my appointment with the doctor because he has now received my MRI. My can of cream of celery soup, and I'm just going to put it in plops all over the top here, and we're just going to smooth that all over. This will keep the noodles on the top from drying out as they absorb the broth, and the vegetables too. And we're just going to just top that with some lovely Parmesan cheese. You don't have to do that, but I find, again, it adds more depth of flavor. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, our timer has gone off. Papa is not home yet, but I just want to have this out and have a look at it. Oh my, isn't that lovely? I wish you could smell this. I've turned the oven off, and I'm just going to pop this back in to keep it warm until Daddy gets home. Alrighty. Daddy is about to pull in the driveway. And this has been in the oven now for about a half an hour, just with the oven off. And it's, oh, look at that beautiful crust. Now let's just see. Oh my, isn't that lovely? What do we call this? chicken casserole. I'll do my absolute best to get Papa to give you a thumbs up as soon as he comes in. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, chicken casserole with spinach noodles, another leftover makeover meal. Take care, God bless.